You were talking about parameters, right? So how many parameters are there, and how many anyone who is testing the water? So how many parameters they should test?
Okay. See, this is very subjective. However, because there are a lot of factors here. If you want the entire IS 10500, which comprises of around close to 75 to 80 parameters, if I'm not wrong, which includes your pesticides, which includes your heavy metals, which includes your regular physical, chemical, and microbiology parameters. I would say people in the market, it ranges from somewhere around 8K to up to 15K.
Okay, this is the
per
price.
one sample. Yes.
This is the price.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's the price of testing the water, but we would not recommend everyone to go for that package.
Okay.
That's a very rare instance. Okay. General package that we prefer is it's a 20 parameter package, which we have selected based on the data, right? On what parameters you should be tested, and we also ask a certain set of questions. For example, let's say you're staying close to an industrial area, right? Industrial area, a lot of industrial work happens, and common contamination is your heavy metals, right? Then we say, okay, because you're staying very close to the industrial area, we recommend you, along with this 20 parameter package, you also go with these heavy metals. And you'd be surprised to know that whenever we recommended, we've seen most of the cases the water is contaminated with the heavy metals. Okay. And if you are someone who is staying close to let's say a lot of agricultural activities, right? Then what happens? You can expect pesticidal contamination there, because farmers use a lot of pesticides, and that water is carried and then it comes. So we don't just tell one size fits all approach. This is where Prevel Labs also brings in the expertise. We understand. We go deeper and understand what's the reason why they want to get it tested, where do they stay, and what kind of population stays at their home, what age group, do they have any issues and all. Based on that, we usually recommend them. But the common package that we recommend is what we call as a 20 parameter package. That costs you somewhere probably between 1800 to 2200 rupees.
Got it. So we're not just doing the testing, we are actually consulting the people.
Exactly. So consulting, what happens is usually people talk consulting post delivery of a product or a service, but here it's free.
Oh, great.
Right? We do pre-consulting because we want giving report is one of the objective of it, but that's not going to solve it. We want to understand why exactly the customer has come here, what are the pain points, and how can I solve them. And then along with that, once the report comes, we also give them necessary recommendations what they can do to improve the quality of the water.